Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset your GE fridge very easily, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide. So I was searching for the same and I found out this article over here. There is one of the three ways to exit the demo mode. If you are in the showroom demo mode, you need to press and hold the energy saver button at the same time as the freezer button for 5 seconds. If that doesn't work, you need to press and hold the energy button or energy saver button the same way you press the refrigerator button for 5 seconds. And the last option is to press and hold the freezer and refrigerator button together for 5 seconds. So what this will do is you can do any of these methods in order to reset your GE fridge. And if any of the method isn't working for you, then you can even come to the official website of geappliances.com, and over here you need to just scroll down on this page and click on the contact us option. Afterwards you can directly call to them and you can ask them for some other option to reset, or you can even ask them for any type of problem that you are facing with your fridge, and they are going to help you in this regard. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.